guys, hola, ¿cómo están? I hope you guys are doing really good today on this Friday. I hope you guys are doing well this Friday. I hope you guys are excited for a new video. Like I told you guys on my previous video that I was going to show you guys how I am now currently filming in 2020 and I freaking love it. Let me know what you guys think because that's what matters. So by the way, if you don't know who I am, my name's Adriana Luna and I would love to have you join my YouTube family. I make beauty videos, mommy videos, cooking videos, anything that anyone can benefit from, I got you. So let's jump right into this video. So I think about 2 years ago was the last time I updated you guys on my filming setup, which I will link you guys down below and I'll put it in a little annotation video. But that video did really well and I felt like the comments were like, oh, thank you for helping me, this helped me out. So I wanted to do my updated filming setup for 2020. I just got tired, girl. I mean, we live in a 2-bedroom apartment and girl, let me tell you, I can't wait. I can't wait till I can have my own beauty room because it's a pain to like have the light set up to set up the lights, put them down, put the lights again, put them down, put the background, put everything. Like every other second, every 2 days that I film, I had to put everything back up, put everything down, put the table, put everything. Sometimes I don't even want to put it away. I'll just leave it there and it just looks so ugly right there, you know? It just looks so ugly. So I just got tired of it and then just one day I started filming how I'm filming now and I was like, you know what? I really love this. It just takes me back to how I started filming when I started YouTube and it's high quality, it looks professional, and at the same time, I feel like I can connect with you guys. Like if I was watching myself, I feel like I will have a connection. That's the most important thing, you know, as a beauty blogger or as a content creator or whatnot, you want to feel that you have that connection with the person that's watching you. So everything that I'm going to be showing you guys, I'm going to show you guys through my phone. I'm also going to show you guys 2 lenses that I use. So everything that I'm going to be showing you guys can find it down below in the description box because I have separate reviews of the product. So I'm going to show you guys how it looks without the lights. So I'm going to turn off my main source of light, I would say. Let's see. Yeah, that's the main source. And now I'm going to turn off my, am I recording? Okay, and I'm going to turn off my second light. And let me move a little bit and turn off my third light. This is how it looks without the lights. And the poor camera, look at it. Hello, I'm right here. Shouldn't even know what to focus on. So the light that you see coming through is the light from my window. And I do have a pretty decent size window, but I don't use it for filming. I'm going to show you guys everything that I'm using to film and I'm going to start filming using my phone. So starting right now, I'm going to start filming with my phone. The first lighting system that I'm using is this vanity mirror, which is by RIKI Loves RIKI, as you guys can see right there. And it comes with the control. I have a separate video on this, so I will link you guys so you guys can watch it. I don't even know where I'm looking at, so you guys can watch it, but this thing is amazing. It has Bluetooth and look, that's just the first setting and look at how bright it is already. And then the second setting, third setting, and fourth setting, and 5. So we have 5 settings. With that already, that's some good bomb lighting for like selfies or anything like that. And also, by the way, with the little control that it comes with, you can take selfies. You can't listen to music or anything, but you can start filming, like connect this to your phone and start filming and take selfies, like I said. But this is the first lighting system that I have. And the cool thing about the mirror is that you can pay in payments. So if you don't have, you know, everything to pay it off, you can do payments. That's what I love. I'm thinking of getting one for Natalie so she can have a nice lighting mirror. So the second lighting system is my second RIKI Loves RIKI mirror. So we have the tall one and then we have the small one. And I'm always charging it here with my vanity desk. You can charge it. I'll link you guys everything down below. So this one, you can also do the same thing. You can Bluetooth it, take pictures and all the good stuff. It shows you like how much battery it has. So here's the first setting, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it goes up to 5 as well. As you can see, both of them being on by themselves or together, it is super bright and they are daylight. So it doesn't get hot or anything like that. Now I'm going to show you guys the third lighting system that I use. My third lighting system is my ring light. I feel like everyone nowadays has a ring light, which is really good. It is not dimmable, it just stays that color and it's 55K white, and I can put my phone right there if I want to take selfies or anything like that. But I just love a ring light because it just gives you that glowy soft skin like, and it gives you that, you know, ring effect around your eyes. So it's really, really good for selfies. So next to my desk I have my monitor, which is by Asus. I think I bought this seriously like 8 years ago or 9 years ago, girl. I mean, I bought it a long time ago, seriously a long time ago. I think it was like around $100 on eBay, so it's probably cheaper. I don't know, I will try to link you below if they still have this one. But I connect my camera to here because I used to connect it to my computer, but my computer just messed up by always opening it and connecting it, and it will fall down. You know what I mean? It will fall down, and I almost broke that little thing. So now are you guys ready to see my camera stand? Oh my god, girl. So here is my tripod. Don't judge, girl. I mean, I am looking for a tripod. I have one, but it's too freaking tall. Like, I don't need a tall ass tripod. So the tripod that I need is like the size of this or smaller than this. So for now I'm using boxes, and this just takes me back to when I started filming. I would use boxes, and here we go, back again, but with a better quality. So I'm still filming with my Canon 80D. This is a really, really good camera. I just love it for filming and taking pictures. It auto focuses without me having to go in the back and trying to see if I'm focused or not. I used to hate that. I mean, the Canon T3i was my best friend, but having to get up, turn it on, turn it off, or mind, you know, seeing if I was on focus or not, killed me and wasted so much time. So the Canon 80D, I know they have the 90D, and I want to get the Mark V. That's the one that I will get, girl. I have to put it out there. I will get that. So you can see that I have my mic connected right there, and then the other one is for the monitor. The mic that I'm using, this is the mic that I am using, which is battery operated, which I hate, but it's really affordable. So it's Audio Technica. It's really affordable, and the quality, it's really, really good. As you can see how long it is. So you clip it on your shirt and you're good to go, but it's really, really good quality. So I'll link you guys down below. Now the phone that I'm using to record this, and I also take selfies with, is the 11 Pro Max, yes. And then both of the size of the cameras are 4K. So I can even film a tutorial using this phone because it has amazing, freaking amazing quality. So if you guys want me to film a full tutorial just using this bad boy, let me know. As you can see, I am working with a small space, but I make everything work, so I'm sure you can do it too. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks with my two mirrors on. I don't have the ring light. I use the ring light to fill in this side of my face. So you want to have a 3 key point lighting, which is the front and both of the sides. So that's why I have these two mirrors and the ring light. So this is how it looks just using my phone with this lighting, which I think it's really good. And I'm also filming a different day, the day that I'm supposed to be uploading this. So I'll get back to my editing. So in the back of me, what you see is my closet. Sometimes I do put an extra light that I use, and I'll put it right there just to brighten that area up more and make it look more white. So that's what you guys see, and I feel like it looks really presentable, and I'm not too overexposed. It doesn't look like I'm in the studio or anything no more, even though I love the look, but I just right now got tired of it. Oh, I also want to show you guys a new lens that I bought. I had the Canon 50 Nifty, but it broke, and I found a new one online by Yungnu. So this one is also a 50 millimeter right there. So it's really, really close up. Right now I'm using an 18 by 135 millimeter that comes with the camera. So I'm gonna switch it over to this lens, which this lens supposed to make everything in the background blurry, so just pay attention to how everything looks right now. And this is how the 50 millimeter looks. I will link you guys down below, but it just gets you a little bit closer. It also auto focuses, and I can get a little bit closer, but I just love the way that it looks really clean, sharp, blur in the background, and it focuses really good. And I feel like when it focuses, you can see the products really, really good. Here's another product. You can see it focuses super fast. and you cannot hear the sound of when it focuses because I am using a mic. So I hope you guys love this video. I hope that it was helpful. Like I told you guys, you can make it work. I'm filming in a really small space. You can always use daylight for free lighting. I am just really happy of how everything looks. I feel like I don't look overexposed, and I feel like you can see my true skin tone. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will link everything down below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps me out so much. And comment down below if you are a content creator, because I know your pain. It is so hard to film, to edit, to promote yourself. Oh my goodness, it's so hard. If you guys want me to just make another video of how to start your YouTube channel, how to reach out to brands, how to brand yourself, how to promote yourself and all that good stuff, let your girl know. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.